thank you for visiting GuruFocus. My name is Charlie T. I'm the founder and CEO of GuruFocus.com. In this video, I want to show you how GF's value works. And for every company, we have a chart we call GF value chart. Let me show you my screen here. And I'm displaying a company called Walmart. Everyone goes to Walmart here. Its GF value chart is this colorful chart from red to green, which shows the value, the value we think the company is worth at this point. And in the case of Walmart, I think that we think that company's value should be $146.98. The company is slightly undervalued and actually close to fair valued. That's why we ranked it as fair valued in this case. And that's a GF value for Walmart. Why we develop GF value concept? The reason is because the most popular, most frequently used valuation rank like PE ratio, forward PE ratio, they have their own problems. They cannot be applied to every company because of the company's own business behaviors. And also others like DCF model or price to free cash model, they all have their own problems. And that's why we developed this GF value concept. We want to have one way of valuation and applied it to every kind of companies. And if you look at the GF value, we have now, let me look at another company called Apple. That's most frequently one of popular companies. It's also fairly valued. And okay, let me just randomly go to another company, Visa. It's okay, it's modestly undervalued, we think. The GF value is determined from several factors. One is a historical valuation of the company stocks, the historical valuation of companies. And also the second most important one is future growth of the company. So we combine those two factors together and it will give the company a valuation rank for, we call GF value. And it's different from traditional valuation methods such as the valuation box we show here. GF value, earning power value, and the different DCF and DCF earning based and cash flow based. They give different valuations, but I think it's more complete. It covers all kinds of companies. But it doesn't mean that the higher the discount is, the better. Our study have found that if a company is most undervalued as measured by GF value, it doesn't mean that it will do better in the future, because there are companies that can be value traps, and they're cheap for a reason. So especially lots of cyclical companies or companies with poor balance sheet, they're cheap for a reason, and their stock will never recover because there are other problems. So business problems, not just the valuation of stocks. So in that case, we will show you the company might be a value trap. So we, for depending on different valuations, which display different things here. When it's a value trap, although it looks very undervalued, we'll tell you it might be a value trap. But sometimes it's overvalued, more significantly overvalued, modestly overvalued, fair valued, and mostly undervalued and significantly undervalued. This, as I mentioned, it doesn't mean that you want to invest in significantly undervalued companies because they may have other problems. But GF value give you an overall idea of the valuation of the business. And please don't confuse GF value with GF score. GF score is a complete picture of the company's stock. It covers 5 aspects like financial strength, the growth, profitability. The GF value GF value is just one of them, and momentum. And where do you find the most undervalued stocks, if that's what your favorite is? Always go to our all-in-one screener, and we have a filter called GF Value Rank. And with the highest rank ones, we think that they are mostly at the optimum point for future performance. It doesn't mean that the cheaper they will get higher GF value rank here. They are close to an optimum point. And some familiar names here, if I just do some filter, Amazon seems to be very good valuation at this point. Taiwan Semiconductors, NVIDIA, and Disney. That's interesting. And that's about the GF value and the GF value rank. Again, thank you for watching. My name is Charlie Tian, and answer always when you have questions. You can always ask us for support. We provide 3 ways of support. One is online chat during business hours of Texas time. Second, you can open a ticket. You can always do that here on our website. Let me share my screen again. There's a support link here. You can chat with us. You can create a support ticket. And when you need help, you can always schedule a one-on-one meeting with us. James will do the meeting. James has been very good with it. Select your own time here and set up a meeting with James. James will explain everything to you. Again, thank you for watching. Feel free to contact us. We're here to help you.